traders, I'm looking at gold on a weekly chart. Now this is currently trading into all-time highs, or it has done, and we can see that this is fairly extended or overextended. What I generally see with this is, well, I mean, you can see it on the chart here, we get these retraces, quite a volatile instrument, and we do see mostly, you know, these big swings. So what I'm not seeing on the chart right now is just that. So I'm thinking it's, you know, we're heading into the end of the week. I'm reluctant to be buying at this level. Let's go down the time frames and I'll give you my take, and we'll look at a potential trade entry idea. So on the daily time frame, have a look at these price swings. Like everywhere you go, you generally see, well, a fairly significant retrace. Well, I mean, that one was even deeper, and this one deeper again. But everywhere you go, you know, you're going to see the volatility with this instrument, right? So we haven't really had much of a retrace here. It's just range bound at the current level. Okay, all-time highs, there's really no liquidity sitting up in here that can be tapped into apart from liquidity that's being generated through this range. What I'm interested in is the daily time frame. My bias is long, you know, like smart money they need liquidity to be able to continue. Now, this is where they load it up. So this traded up here. There's liquidity in the form of sell stops, right, under this move here. So that pulls back into it, and it gives them what they need to pair their orders in for another leg. So up here again, I mean, look, this pullback here, there is liquidity, but it's not the kind of the volume that I believe is required for big money. Now, the thing with this is manipulated, and it's, look, the price is controlled by algos. So it wouldn't surprise me that algos push this up a bit higher, drawing in more buyers, and then they tank it, right, for a decent retrace, and they wipe out all the stops that are sitting under here. So that's one idea that could be a consideration. Now, I really prefer a move back into equilibrium, this 50 to 61 point, into a discounted zone. Sometimes I'll trade a breakout. That's fine. You know, if I think there's strength in the whatever currency or whatever it is I'm trading and weakness in the other, and it pushes on with a slight retrace, then yeah, I will do that. In this case, I'm not interested in getting in at this level long, right? I want to see it come right back into a discount. So what we have here on, we'll go down to the 4-hour time frame. Well, we'll look at this price swing. We'll take it from this. Swing low. We have here a thin green candle on this time frame. I'm going to pick up the high on the candle on the left and the candle on the right low. Let's just pull that through, right? So this is a bullish imbalance that has traded with speed. It's one-sided trading, so there's nothing left and right. The market will seek two things: liquidity, and secondly, it'll look to rebalance. Now, I don't think there's a ton of liquidity sitting up in here, right? Because there's nothing left of it. In other words, there's no buy stops apart from the buy stops that have generated from this price action alone. So it's fairly thin liquidity in my point of view here. Where there is liquidity is if you look at this price swing low to high, there's a ton of sell stops that are resting in all through this level under here, and especially under this range here. So these sell stops coupled with this imbalance make this a perfect target for this to draw back into and possibly continue north. Okay, so if I'm going to get involved with this, I want to see, well, we're seeing these lower highs here. I want to see a break, obviously a break of market structure. But more importantly, look, you could look to counter trend trade it. Good luck if you take that that path. But the thing that I'll be looking for will be, we go down to a lower time frame, 15-minute. Okay, this is my target area. This 50 to 618. So under the 50 is discounted. So I'm interested in price movement back down into here. However it works, it could be something like that. I'll be looking for this under here to set up. In other words, I want to see price rotate and give me a reason to get long wherever that lands, okay? And then you want to see it trade off with speed and then come back down retest the high, and then something like that, right? So this price action is what I want to see playing out. If this fails to drop back and play out as such, then there's no trade. It's abandon the idea. If it happens to pick up and trade north from here, I'm not interested. I want to see this pull back, and then I want to see the setup. You've got to look at these key levels, the discount. If this fails to set up, there's no trade, okay? And with that, I'd invite you to leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. I sincerely hope you've gained some value from the video, and this is an invite for you to join VIP. The benefits: you gain access to our daily trade ideas, our currency trading course, Foundations for Success. Part of the course are ongoing members-only mentorship videos that are uploaded into our channel, and of course you gain access to our Tradingview indicators. I'm making this available at an incredibly affordable monthly subscription of $29.95. Scroll down this page and on the left you'll see recent results in video format and snapshots of our spreadsheet, history. There's other options here: monthly, 3 monthly, 6 monthly, etc. And if PayPal isn't an option for you, if you click this link down in here, this will take you to this page where there are alternative payment options for you. Once you join, make sure you click this link here and provide me with a couple of important details, and definitely DM me in Telegram. Here's my Telegram ID down the bottom, and let me know your name and email so I can match you with the payment that comes through and speed up the process of enabling full access to VIP. So with that, I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in VIP.